Alright, what's good everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my favorite accessories or the accessories I've been using with my Lenovo Legion Go over the past year. So let's get into it. The first accessories I actually want to talk about, I got these recently from the brand Inui. They sent them to me for free to review. This is a Magsafe power bank from Inui. It has 10,000 milliamps, has a kickstand, and it has two USB-C ports that are capable of fast charging up to 30 watts. And then it has a lanyard, but the lanyard becomes a USB-C cable, which is pretty cool. Obviously, this is a nice accessory and it doesn't work with the Legion Go because it only charges at 30 watts. However, they also sent me this one right here, which is just as cool and amazing because of how small it is. Like, it's literally, you know, the same size but thicker. And if I look at my smartphone, it's smaller than my smartphone. It has 25 milliamps inside of it, and then it's capable of charging, outputting up to 100 watts. So really powerful power bank in such a small form factor. Like, I got another Inui power bank that I bought a long time ago on my own, and it's the same capacity, and it even has a lesser charge, but it's bigger. So it's about the size of like 3 smartphones stacked together, whereas this is tiny. This is a small power bank. And yeah, they sent me this, and since then I've been using it with my Legion Go, and it's been amazing to just charge it up. So I'm actually going to show you that I can charge my Legion Go with this small power bank. So I'll just grab a USB-C cable, put it into the 100-watt slot. You also have a 45-watt slot as well, and just plug into my Legion Go, and as you can see, it is charging. So really cool power bank. This is perfect to pair with the Legion Go because this is a portable device, right? You don't want something that's weighing you down, and this, I can have it in my pocket while I'm playing the Legion Go in my hand or in a bag, whatever it is. Very easy to travel with this. The fact that it can output up to 100 watts while still being so small is amazing. And then the 25 milliamp is just a really good capacity. On top of that, it has 2 other ports, so you can definitely charge other devices at the same time. Although you're not going to get the most out of your Legion Go if you do that, but it is still an option. So if I grab the lanyard cable from the other charger that they sent me, and I plug that into the other USB sleeve slot, then I can plug in my phone, and boom. Now the power bank is charging both the Legion Go and my phone. It's amazing that this small thing has so much power to be able to do that. All right, so I'm going to test charging with the power bank for 10 minutes, and let's see how much battery we get from it. So we are at 83%. I'm going to leave it on. It is 8:13 p.m. So we will be back at 8:23 p.m. And there you go. That was 10 minutes of charging with this power bank. The power bank started at around 90% and is now down to 81%. And the Legion Go started at 83%. So it gained 7% in 9% of the power bank's life, if that makes sense. So within 10 minutes of charging, we got 7%. So you can kind of take that information for what you will and extrapolate how much you can get out of this power bank with your Legion Go. And also just note that the cords that you use vary. So this is one cord that I have that came with a Nothing phone. And then the Magsafe charger, it works with your iPhones or other phones that have a Magsafe ring that support wireless charging. And it has a kickstand built in. You can prop it up. So while I'm playing my Legion Go, I can prop up my phone, you know, get some gaming in and still see my notifications while my phone is being charged as well. So really cool accessories to pair alongside your mobile and portable lifestyle with the Legion Go. These power banks come in various different color options, so if you're interested in buying them, definitely check the links down below. The next accessories that I've been using with the Legion Go is actually something that you might not expect, and I've mentioned this in other videos, but it's this Magsafe tripod stand. It also works as just like a regular stand on a desk as well. It has a removable base. There's one that is adhesive, so I have an adhesive stuck to my desk where I have this on there. And then yeah, I've been using it with my Legion Go to just prop it up and do different things. So if you look at the back of my Legion Go, there is a Magsafe ring right here hidden underneath the kickstand, which if you ask me, that's pretty sick and sleek, and it doesn't impact it closing at all. Open it up, boom. Now I have Magsafe on my Legion Go. And you might be wondering why I do that. But the reason I put Magsafe onto my Legion Go is so that I can quickly use it in different ways. So for example, on my desk, when I'm connecting my Legion Go to my external screen, I can have the Legion Go sit up on one of these, and then it will be a small little screen that I can still use with my mouse and, you know, put different things like a YouTube video or something small that I don't need to, you know, have on the full desktop monitor. So that's what I use that for. And then also something super underrated is that you can use this to quickly attach your Legion Go to a tripod. And you might be thinking, why would you put a Legion Go on a tripod? But there could be many reasons. One of those reasons that I was thinking of is playing games, you know, in different situations. So whether you're laying down in bed or you're playing on a couch, I have a tripod that actually can extend its arm out horizontally. So the Legion Go can be, you know, a little bit closer to my face or whatever it is. I can be laying down while it's over me. And yeah, I can put my Legion Go on a tripod and play games at a distance or right beside me without having to hold it. So I can take off the controllers, have my Legion Go on this, and just be playing on the couch or something like that, or wherever I need to go. And like tripods come in different sizes, right? So I have this small Amazon Basic tripod. Let me just close it up, that I can easily pair alongside my Legion Go. I leave a tripod like this in my car. Link will be in the description if you're interested in this one as well. Yeah, I can do different things. And then I also have an even smaller tripod like this. I actually thrifted this one, but I will leave a link in the description for something similar. But look at how small this is. It's about the size of the Legion Go, or the length of the Legion Go when it's closed up, but it can extend really tall. So something like this, I could prop my Legion Go on it and quickly play games somewhere. And even like, let's say you're at a friend's house and you want to connect your Legion Go to the TV, there's no space on their TV stand or whatever it is, just put your Legion Go on this tripod and it will be next to the TV. You can, you know, run the cords to the TV. And speaking on that, another accessory that helps with that kind of scenario is this right here. This is originally designed for iPads to be sleek and like sit flush beside an iPad to, you know, kind of blend in with the body. But you can actually use this with the Legion Go. So this is something that I've been using as well. And it has an HDMI port, has two USB-A 3.0 ports, and then it has a USB-C 3.0 port, which is really important to me because a lot of these docks don't actually have, you know, actual functioning USB-C ports. A lot of them just have USB-As and then USB-C for charging, but this also has a charging USB-C port as well to charge the device, and then a headphone jack. So this thing is really small, as you can see, very small. And basically in that scenario, let's say I prop my Legion Go onto the tripod at a friend's house and I'm connecting it to their TV screen. It's that simple. I can put this dock, you know, on either of the USB-C ports, you know, run the HDMI cord from here to the TV, and then whatever additional accessories, the power cable, all these things can run from this right here to the TV and then just work. So a setup like this, like I showed you, look how quick it is to just grab it and start, you know, doing whatever you want. As you can see too, one thing that's nice about this Magsafe stand is that there's so much space between the actual device itself and the stand. So cable management is very easy. Any cables that come out of the device will not get in the way. So as you can see, I care a lot about, you know, modularity and synergy between my accessories and things that I have. So the next thing that I'm actually going to showcase is a SanDisk USB-C or USB-A thumb drive. So up until recently, I thought these things were extinct and nobody really uses them. But then I got one for myself last year and it was pretty game changing because like I do have external SSDs that I use, but I don't always want to use those. And they require like high speed cables and stuff like that. Whereas this, a thumb drive, you literally just plug it in and use it. It's so small. Like this is a key ring. I have a Samsung Smart Tag. So like if I ever lose this now, I can use the Samsung Smart Tag to find it. That's something that I put on recently because I lost this actually before. So anyways, it can fit on your key ring and just chill there. So you can actually, you know, let's say you want to put like ROMs and different games that you're playing on your Legion Go onto this, you can do that. This one is 256 gigs. You can use this for so many different things, transfer files between devices, which is my primary use of this, to transfer files between all my devices. And you can actually get thumb drives nowadays that have a capacity of like 1 terabyte, maybe even more. So I will link this in the description as well, and also some higher storage options. So these are some of my favorite accessories, and then I got some more that I'm talking about, but let me just clean up my desk. Matter of fact, let me just show you. It's that simple. Magsafe, this is why I love it. Just take it off and done. Then Legion Go is propped up and you can continue using it however you want. And this, you can easily just put it in a bag or something and it's done. The next accessory that I will showcase that I've been using with my Legion Go is this. So this is not necessarily directly tied to the Legion Go, but it's an organizational case for different small things that my wife got me. And when you open it up, it has individual containers that contain, you know, useful things for me, like adapters, USB sticks, stuff like that. So I put all that in here, and this is actually what I want to show you as well. So that this container and organizer thing will also open this up, and these are what I want to show you. So you might have some of these laying around, but if you don't, I will definitely link some of my favorite adapters in the description that you can get from Amazon. These are crucial for anybody that does interesting PC stuff or computer stuff or whatever. Let's say you want to connect an old keyboard to your Legion Go. Oftentimes those keyboards are going to be USB-A. So Legion Go does not have any USB-A ports by default, but with this, bomb. There you go. Now you have USB-A. So you can connect so many different accessories, and actually one other accessory that I've been using, two other accessories I've been using that need USB-A mainly are these mics. So this is the Shure Mv7. This is a Maoano mic. I don't know the specific number, it'll be in the description. And I've been using these USB mics with my Legion Go. As you see Audacity right here. I do make music, so you can check out my Spotify, or I'm on YouTube Music, all the platforms. My name is Jamal Lee. There, you can check that out. I haven't released anything new yet, but I've been working. And I do use them with my Legion Go in Audacity. I might even get FL Studio eventually. I was using Logic Pro before, but I'm trying to move away from Apple devices because I don't really like the operating systems that much. Yeah, so I want to highlight that I've been using these mics as well. Two favorite accessories with the Legion Go. And these USB-C adapters come clutch when you don't have, you know, all your things. Like, let's say I didn't bring this dock with me, but I could use these if I have one on me. And I have so many of them, so I can put one in different bags and stuff like that. But I just moved, so I organize them into containers, and I know where they are for now, for when I'm trying to do something different. So for now, they just go into this bin right here that has a bunch of different little cases with other accessories and adapters and things like that that I might need. And then I close it up and all done. All right, so the next accessory that I'm actually going to mention is a side bag like this. This is the Highland outdoor bag. I'm having trouble to find a specific model. I got this as a gift from my mother-in-law. So I will link in the description similar bags, or even this one if I find it. But for now, I'm just going to show you what I have. So basically with this bag, I can put a wallet, I can put my earphones for quick access, you know, just different things that I might need. And then in here you have the main pocket. So it's just going to be an open space. And then there's also like a back pocket. It's kind of like a laptop little space. So I use this for different things, like if I have a tablet or whatever, or my Legion Go. So I can put the Legion Go in the main pocket like this. And it fits to the top pretty comfortably, and you can zip it up very easily. Like that, boom. But then you can also take the Legion Go apart if you want for more space. And then in the back, I can fit this wireless keyboard, folding keyboard. I can fit my mouse. I can fit even this power bank, charger. I can fit this adapter. I can put that right there so it doesn't scratch the screen or the Legion Go. And then my little USB stick, I can even put that in the small pocket. And there's still more space. I could even put, you know, the full controller if I want to, and then SSDs and things like that. And obviously you can organize it better than I'm showing you in the video, but for the sake of the video, I'm just stuffing things in. So imagine what you can do if you're efficient. It even has straps on the front, so you can even connect different things. If you're like me and you use these kind of accessories, you can connect the tripod to the bag with the Magsafe mounts. So I can prop up my Legion Go literally everywhere, like not just on the table, but anywhere on the ground as well, and play games comfortably. And I'm actually going to show you what it looks like wearing the bag. All right, so this is how it looks on me. And then if I turn around, this is how it looks from the back. And I mean, you can wear it however you want, but yeah, it's a pretty cool bag. Got the tripod in. This literally has everything I need. And then right here, as you can see with the strap, there's a little slot as well to put more things in if you need to. So you can put literally your wallet. Let me get my wallet right here. Bomb, got my Herschel wallet. You can put it in here pretty easily. And then zip it up. Now I got my wallet in there. I can put my phone, probably whatever you want in this bag. And it's just so efficient and small, but it can hold so much. So yeah, this is a good pair with the Legion Go. And then when you're done wearing it, it just unclips like that. And this is the bag. Legion Go is in here with all the accessories, not even organized properly. Another bag option that you have that my mother-in-law got for my wife actually is this Adidas bag. It's basically the same idea. It has two pockets. The front pocket is a little bit bigger than the other one. And then if you open it up, it has one big pocket, and then there's a little pocket at the back that has a zipper and it's mesh. This is the Legion Go inside, and you still have a decent amount of space behind it, and even in front if you have a screen protector or something. Zip it up, and there you go. And then on the strap, this is a little bit more space than the other strap, and it's easier to fit your cell phone, so that is nice too. But yeah, this is another option. Link will be in the description. So one other accessory that I've been using is the 8-bit Do Ultimate controller. This controller is really fun. Probably my favorite gaming controller right now because of the ergonomics, because of how it feels. And then you can also adjust the dead zones. You can customize, you know, different things on it. So I really enjoy the controllers. It has high quality vibration. One thing that's cool about it is it comes with this dock right here, and it's wireless charging. So you can put the controller on the dock to charge. But then it also has 2.4 gigahertz adapter that you can plug into your computer, like your Legion Go, directly to connect that way, or you can use Bluetooth. But 2.4 gigahertz, you already know, is going to be faster and more smooth. And then in addition to that, you can also connect the dock itself to your computer. When the 2.4 gigahertz adapter is plugged into the dock itself becomes an adapter like that. So it's also something really nice to look at, something that charges your controller wirelessly, but then it also, you know, connects your controller to the device. Super cool functionality, and that's one of the reasons why I love this controller with the Legion Go, especially at my desktop setup. So that's what I've been using in terms of external controllers outside of the original controllers the Legion Go has. And then in terms of audio, the Legion Go is not known for good speakers, but you know, I've been using this. This is another sponsored item I got previously, and it's the Soundware GT. These are some gaming earphones. They're pretty cool. They light up, but particularly I use them for the gaming mode. It has a really low latency in gaming mode, so I use them for that. It has a little USB-C adapter that plugs in and it just works faster. So I've been using that. And then also the OnePlus Buds 3, I've been using these as well. So these are really cool. They came with the OnePlus 13 that I got, and I like the quality. They work well. They also have a gaming mode, and so far it's been pretty good. But yeah, these are the earphones I've been using. It has wireless charging. The other one doesn't. But to end it off, the main accessories, because you already know to use a computer, you need a keyboard and a mouse. I know the Legion Go, this controller can turn into a mouse that connects magnetically, and it turns literally into a mouse. So really cool functionality. Even has a scroll wheel, trackpad on the controller itself normally, but I like a normal mouse. I got the Logitech MX Anywhere 3, and I've been using this. It's just a really nice mouse, smooth, it works well. It has a nice scroll wheel, has additional buttons on the side that I use often going back. The reason why I like it is because it can connect to 3 devices at once, so you can switch between them very easily with the button, and then USB-C port to charge, and you can also use it wired with the USB-C port. So this is the mouse that I've been using. And then for keyboards, when I'm on the go, it's this foldable keyboard right here. Very easy to use. These buttons are actually decent, and yeah, it gets the job done. It has a magnetic closing, so it stays shut. The only downside to this is kind of old, but the only downside is it uses micro USB, but that's fine. It works well. So foldable keyboard. And then when I'm at home at my desk, or you know, I'm traveling and I have a desktop set up somewhere, I use this. So this is another Bluetooth keyboard that is very versatile. It has the ability to switch between 3 different devices, and then you can even say 4 if you include using 2.4 gigahertz with this dongle at the back. And you can also use it wired as well. So Bluetooth, wired, 2.4, and even that can probably add like 5 devices with the wired connection. That's kind of extreme, but the main thing I like about this keyboard is that it sounds nice. Keys feel good to press, and it lights up. It has RGBs and a bunch of different lighting effects that you can do with the keyboard. You can customize how it reacts to your button presses. So just a really, really cool keyboard. I enjoy using it a lot. It has 2 levels of a kickstand at the back. So first you have this small one, and then you also have this big one. So you can kind of see what fits your ergonomics. You can also just have it flat. As you can see, it has feet for that. And yeah, this keyboard has been serving me well. I enjoy it. The link will be in the description below on Amazon for all these accessories. I will have actually an Amazon list that will, you know, be my favorite Legion Go accessories. So you can check that out as well if you don't want to look at the individual items one by one. So yeah, this has been my video on my favorite accessories for the Legion Go. Once again, shout out to Inui for sending these power banks for free, and they are good devices that I recommend. So until the next video, we're out. Peace.